Well, good morning, everyone. Well, here I am, 6:10 in the morning, having my first cup of coffee, which will probably be my last cup because I might drink 2 cups, but that's my maximum coffee a day. I used to be quite a coffee drinker, though. I always had a pot going, but when I quit smoking, 20 some odd years ago, back in 91, as a matter of fact, I also quit drinking coffee like I did. For some reason, they went hand in hand. I'd have a cigarette and a cup of coffee, cigarette and a cup of coffee. And I'm sure some of you that smoke can relate. But anyway, I got my little fire going and let the smoke take care of the bugs. What I find here that's really annoying is the flies. I have had flies bite me before, but occasionally in 1 or 2. But here, it seems like they just bite me all the time. Every time I turn around, I'm having to spray myself with bug spray. They want to eat me up. But anyway, I kind of rearranged my trailer yesterday so that I can put it, when I'm ready to go, which I'm probably going to do that today as far as put it on my van and hook it up. And I've got it chained to the table, so I've got to unchain it. I've got to pick it up and move it towards my van and then hook it up to my van. And that's not exactly an easy job. I kind of minimize any weight that I have in there because I can't handle all that weight myself. And I'll be here through Wednesday. I plan to leave on the 1st. I'm hating to leave the place, though, I really am, because I really like it. It's such a beautiful place. And let me turn this around a minute. Okay. Egrets. Bunch of egrets. Or egrets, or whatever, however you all want to pronounce it. They are so pretty. All that white. And then with the green background and the water, muddy water. They're beautiful. They are absolutely gorgeous. There is one, he might fly up again, but he's right over here by the bank. I don't know if you can see him. And there goes some more. They're just beautiful. And every morning it's the same thing. You can hear them, They're talking to each other. It's really neat. The way wildlife is. I have learned so much from these animals here. I have learned about patience and how rewarding patience could be, contrary to me, a very impatient person. And the freedom, they are so free, and they're happy. And that goes together, freedom and happiness. Because when you're not free, you're not happy. I've got my little armadillo, which has not showed up for this is the 3rd morning it has not showed up. And I left some food out for him, and the food is gone, so maybe he came out earlier before I come out. But he's cute. He's really cute. I like armadillos anyway. They're kind of prehistoric looking. But, a lot of people think they're ugly. I don't think so. But, beauty's in the eyes of the beholder. And my grandmother always said, when you look at something, don't look at it as your eye sees it. Look at it as your heart and mind sees it. So I've learned to behold beauty no matter what it looks like. And here comes one flying. I hope you can catch him pretty good when he gets by. Oh, I think he's going to go up. There he goes. If I went by the pier, they're all around the pier this early in the morning. They are everywhere. Just showed you a little bit of the morning, the morning sounds, and oh my God, the waking up out here in the wild. Oh, love it. But so, anywho, I'm going to go ahead and finish kind of packing things up and just leaving out the necessary things. I want to get my tent put up. I'm only using it for storage anyway. But once I hook up my trailer, I am going to put the rest of the stuff in except the necessary things that will be used now. I wish you all could be out here with me. You know, we could sit here, have a cup of coffee, and just watch the egrets flying around and listen to all of the birds waking up. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'd love for y'all to be right here with me in person and enjoy what I'm enjoying. Okay, I know some of you don't care for the outdoors, and that's okay. That's okay. We all have our own likes and dislikes. But anyway, I just want to make this short right now because I've got a few things I've got to do. I got to get the dogs out. I got one out. I got Brian out there. I had to put her in the pen because, well, because he's blind and poor little thing. I don't want him running off of the little cliff here. And he can't see. He's so funny. He'll take off running. He's so happy to be out. And the tent's in the way, and he runs right into the tent and just kind of backs up and like, oh my God, what happened? I get so tickled. It's just really funny. Sad, but funny. But anyway, I got to get the rest of them put in their pen and feed them. So I will get back with you all later. Have a good day. And don't forget, hugs to everyone. Love you all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.